Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to put voiceover in TikTok. So this is when you are about to upload your video to TikTok. You will see this microphone icon over here. So you can click that icon to put your voiceover. And then click on record. You can also change your voice using voice filter here, but here I'm going to choose record first, and then you can press and hold to this red button to start the recording. So I'm going to show it the sample to you guys. After you're done recording, just click on done over here. Your recorded audio will be displayed after you click done. Voiceover test on TikTok. You can choose to use voice filter here.
Voiceover test on TikTok.
Voiceover test on TikTok.
After that, you can click on save over here. And then you can upload your video to TikTok. So that's how you put voiceover in TikTok. It's so easy, guys. Thank you guys for watching. If you find this tutorial helpful, remember to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Bye bye.